What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do another upgrade on my bike. I've been wanting to get this for my bike for a while now because I think it looks pretty cool, but we will see in real life what it looks like. And it's this piece right here. It's like a shield protector for the front right here. And I'm going to show you guys. Exciting. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. So a nice little shield for it. It looks pretty nice. Gotta put it on and see what it really looks like. So I'm gonna go pretty much like this. Is it gonna fit? Yeah, like this. So let's show you a before and after. So this is what it looks like before. Okay, guys, and we are about to put this on it, and we're gonna show you what it looks like. So
let me see. It's got the screw shit here.
yeah, it should be because it said 2022.
It looks like it's good, but it doesn't look like where the holes match up at.
That's weird. Does this like whole piece come off?
Why does that always happen?
I have no idea.
Why would we think we're gonna make a video? It's not for the 2022.
It's not.
No. You can tell just by the way that it's not shaped to the light.
What?
Yeah. It says Grom.
I swear they sent me the wrong name.
Did we rip that up?
No, it was like that.
Let me see. Hold this. It says. Oh God.
Story of my life.
I should have just threw it on the ground.
I just threw everything on the ground. Cause this hole in a bag.
I even told you when I had it to you. So did you tear this like that?
Somebody was doing it.
Huh? This is right. Let me see. Does that one got an L on it? Yeah. Can you find that other clip that looks like this?
Yeah, it got lost. Or it fell too.
Yeah, I was in the bag.
So this is pretty much how it's gonna go, guys. There's a bolt that goes to the back of here, and then there's like a clip, and that's gonna screw to that one screw. And then does this have to come off or just
No,
goes right over it?
that goes over. You just take these out and you put it into that.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
It's pretty simple the way they made it.
I like it like that. But we'll see what it looks like, you guys. You know, all you can do is just, if you think something looks nice, is just do it yourself, and then if you don't like it, then just take it off, and that's all you can do. Oh, I actually saw this.
Everything, see if it matches up on that side. How close it gets?
Right there, it's cool, good.
Right there? Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
I have to move it a little bit.
Yeah, no, that's why I didn't tie it all the way tight there.
Wait. probably want to take these out.
Definitely.
We'll see. Right there is smashed up.
That one matched. This one didn't quite.
It's kind of hard to see with that.
See? That one matched. Oh, but it goes on the. Let me see. Let it go.
Oh.
Okay.
It's like a protector.
Alright, let's take it down.
What do you think, Ken?
Me?
Yeah. But yeah, what do you think it looks like? Good or nerdy?
It looks. I mean, if it's up to the person's preference, what they think, what they like. If you like it, I mean, that's all that matters, right?
Well, I was always curious to see what it looked like, so now I know.
Let's put this other one. Like this. This
We'll see the final product. She looking clean though. I like her. I like it like that. Dang, that's pretty.
You can. Oh, let's make sure these match up first. Take that. Is that fit still?
I can't wait till I get my bars in. It's gonna be nice. Better with my bars. It's not working?
Yeah, just.
What do you guys think? If Ham had a Grom, he would have been doing this to his bike. Right, Ham?
Right, but it's not mine.
Right, but it's not mine. Right. Okay, guys, if you think that this looks nerdy, let me know down below, because definitely don't want to be riding a nerdy bike. But
Hey.
I don't know, I might like it, and if I
You're a
like it,
nerd,
and maybe
do
I am a
nerdy
nerd, so
things.
we'll see. And it's on, she's on. It's not going back. JK, you could take it right off. Ooh, I think it looks dope. I like it.
That's the beauty of having a bike. Customize it. If you like it.
This sticker could come off. I don't like that. That's right, guys. You hear? That is the beauty of having your own bike, that you can customize it however you want. Make it to your own flavor. Here we have the bike shed. Here's the other Grom. The helmets. This is my helmet right here. It's freaking awesome. And here's little ones. We got the no parking.
Looks different.
Yeah, huh?
Cool.
Yeah, I like it. Nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. If you guys like the way this looks on my new bike, hit the thumbs up. There is.
Oh, there is. They just don't tell. They don't let the people see it. Only we get to see.
And don't forget to hit the bell button because there's gonna be more videos coming up of this Grom.
Definitely.
And then on the next one,
We got more stuff coming.
will find out if I decided to keep this windshield thing cover, whatever you call it.
So windshield.
So, peace out, guys. Until the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.
I like it.